I would like to welcome the people to introduce the psychology. Today will be a short class, tell you about what this course is about. I know this is a shopping period and I will give you a good suggestion. I want to go over the system of the class, the evolution of the reading, and I will give some examples of some of the specials. But before I get started, I have to point out something a little bit unusual about this class. This class is one of the 7 courses chosen to begin the Yale University Open Education Resource Video Lecture Project. And what this means is, this video will be on the website, free to anybody. As I'm talking, let's start it. Well, I would like to welcome people to this course. The course introduction to psychology. And what it's going to be is a comprehensive introduction to the study of the human mind. So we are going to over a very wide range of topics, including brains, children, language, sex, memory, madness, racism, and love, and many others. We are going to talk about things like the purpose for difference between men and women, the question of whether animals can learn language, the puzzle of what grows us out, the problem of why some of us eat too much and what we could do to stop, the question of why people go crazy in groups, research it, whether you have trust your childhood memory, research into why some of us depress on others. I'm going to get a brief question which you have to answer, and your answers need to send to your teaching fellow, and you will give a teaching fellow assigned one by Friday. This is not meant to be difficult. It's not meant to be a 5-10 minutes of work, but the point of the question, 15-20 minutes of work. But the point of the question is to motivate people to keep up the material to do the reading. This question will be marked pass or fail. I expect most everybody, but I just try to keep on track. This is help to you to understand what the real world, what we face, and I'm going to try to stress them and make you try to think it over, which can affect your everyday life, how you study, how you interact with people, how you might to try to persuade somebody of something else, what sort of theory works help you most. But the general goals of this course are actually, I think, even more interesting than that. What I want to do is to provide a state-of-art introduction to the most people. There is us, how the human mind works, what we think, what makes us what we are. And we will approaching this from a range of difficulties. So traditionally, psychology is often broken up to the fellow into 5 sub-areas. Neuroscience, which is the study of the mind by looking at the brain. Developmental, which is the area develop and grow and learn.
啥？主的宿舍是右长的。